So I think it was last year, Youtooz announced that we were getting DogMan and Captain Underpants figures and plushies. And you know I pre-ordered those figures as soon as they came out. When I got these figures, the channel was still hacked, so I never got time to actually talk about them. I've gotten the DogMan and Captain Underpants Youtooz. So I'm going to be unboxing them, doing a little review for you guys, maybe comparing them to some other figures that I have. And yeah, I cannot wait. I am very excited that we have new DogMan and Captain Underpants merch. But if you guys like DogMan and Captain Underpants, you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here. And now let's open up these figures. We're going to start off with the man himself, DogMan. Here is DogMan out of the little plastic thing. Oh, they got a little squirrel. That's cool. Always gotta smell them. That's kind of a mid smell, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's get the goat out. Here he is, not in the protected plastic. That's sick. You know what we gotta do? That actually smells better. Alright, I got them both out of the box. Let's go over to the review station. We are now here at the review station. So since his movie recently just came out, let's start off with talking about the DogMan Youtooz figure. I absolutely love the way this figure looks. I think the model is great. The only thing is the actual Youtooz eyes looks really weird on this figure. I know that's like Youtooz is stylized and just how they do everything, but it just looks like his eyes are closed, and I don't really know how I feel about that. The attention to detail is just amazing. It's a very well done figure. Again, I do think Youtooz is still a little overpriced, but these figures, at least this DogMan one, just from looking at it, might be worth the price. And before we stop talking about this figure to compare to some other figures, I want to take a look at the details on his box. I mean, starting off with the front, it looks very nice. You have the blue. It says number 0, as this is the first figure in the DogMan collection. Coming on the side, you actually have a picture of him behind some bushes. Over here, you have some grass with a little squirrel, and it reads, "He has the head of a dog, the body of a man, and the heart of a hero." If you look at the other side, it's the same stylized picture like Dave Pilkey's comics, and it says, "He's loving, brave, and enjoys chasing squirrels." Also, at the top, you have a blue picture of him. And I think when you open this up, there was more. Also, the DogMan logo is back there. But yeah, it says, caution, he's easily distracted. I think these boxes have so much detail, and I really do love that. So just to compare him to some other figures, here he is with actually my other Youtooz figure I have of Ghostface. This is my only other one that I have. I do think Youtooz did a lot better with kind of making the figures look more accurate and not their actual Youtooz design. But overall, I still think it's fine. And also, just for the fun of it, here he is next to the Wave 1 Jakks Pacific DogMan movie figure. I think this figure's supposed to be based off the books, but yeah, they both look great together. Let's take a look at the man, the myth, the legend himself, Captain Underpants. This man does not get enough representation anymore. Don't get me wrong, I love DogMan, but man, we have not gotten some Captain Underpants stuff in a really long time. So taking a look at the figure, again, I think it looks absolutely amazing. The design of the cape looks great. The only thing is his body proportions are really weird. This motherfucker got some big ass feet. I don't know why they put so much detail into the feet, but it just really makes the figure look really just built weird. I will say I do think the Youtooz eyes fits good with Captain Underpants. I love his big smile, but for some reason it just looks really weird with DogMan. And also to compare them, DogMan is a lot bigger than Captain Underpants. And here is also that Ghostface figure I showed with the DogMan next to Captain Underpants. Again, Captain Underpants is pretty small compared to these other Youtooz figures, and for some reason his feet are huge. And for the fun of it, here he is next to the original Captain Underpants movie Funko Pop of, again, Captain Underpants. And also here he is with the Professor Poopy Pants Funko Pop.
This is the Ha-Ha Gafar Chuckleomalus.
And let's also take a look at his box like we did for DogMan. Now the stylization on this is really nice. The front of the box has the Captain Underpants logo in the back, but the whole side of the box is the color and the dots on his cape, which is really great. You have a nice render of him here. Captain Underpants, part of the Captain Underpants collection, number 0, also like DogMan. On the side, you have this great picture of him with this little comic booky background. You look at the back, I think this is the Bionic Booger Boy, I could be wrong. And it says, just because you're a grown-up doesn't mean you have to act like one. Bars. And this also teases we could get a figure of this in the future. On this side is nothing crazy. You have a little building. It says there's nothing wrong with being a little bit silly sometimes. Excuse me. Here he is at the top, and if you open this up like DogMan, it also says something. It says, sometimes the things that make us different are the things that make us special. Low-key bars. Dave Pilkey always be cooking. And I also think these boxes look great if you want to set up the figures like this. This is actually awesome, and just put them in front of it. I think this looks absolutely great. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for my review of the new DogMan and Captain Underpants Youtooz. Let me know if you guys want more reviews like this in the future. I don't really buy a lot of Youtooz, only for special occasions like these two goats that don't get a lot of merch. I don't know, maybe if this video does good, give me some figures you guys would like me to review from Youtooz in the future. If you want to see another video on me talking about Youtooz a long time ago, talking about how I just thought their figures and their stuff was overpriced, and I think it was a pretty good video. Is it an older one? Yeah, but I did kind of like making it, and I think it's a fine video. Let me know what you guys thought of these Youtooz. Did you guys pick them up, or are you going to pick them up? And let me know if you guys want me to pick up the plushies. They are both at my Newbury Comics, so I could also do a review on them. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and yeah.